Welcome to the Quiet Aspirant. So today we are going to discuss PYQ of economy. The question is, which one of the following statements correctly describes the meaning of legal tender money? The money which is tendered in courts of law to defray the fee of legal cases, the money which a creditor is under compulsion to accept in settlement of his claims, the money in the form of checks, drafts, bill of exchange, etc., the metallic money in circulation in a country. So this PYQ of 2018 is basically on the topic based legal tender money. So what is legal tender money? Legal tender money is a money that must be accepted by law as a payment for a debt or some financial obligation. All right, legal tender money is a money that must be accepted by law as a payment for a debt or a financial obligation. For example, like you owe someone 500 rupees and now you have to pay that person a 500 rupees. So now you are paying him or her the owed 500 rupees, the debt, you are paying the debt now, and the person refused to accept that. Now it's not possible. He or she can't refuse to accept that 500 rupees note because it's a legal tender money. The creditor cannot legally refuse it if it is offered to settle a debt. All right. So the first option says the money which is tendered in courts of law to defray the fee of legal cases. Here the UPSC has put a trap over here. They have used the word legal, they have used the word law so that you relate legal law to legal tender money. But it's not like that. This is a trap. This option is wrong. Legal tender money is nowhere related to courts of law. All right. So this option is wrong. Option B says the money which a creditor is under compulsion to accept in settlement of his claims. So this option is correct. This is the proper definition of legal tender money, that it is the money which a creditor is under compulsion, that is he or she can't reject that, to accept in settlement of his claims. This option is correct. Option C says the bank money in the form of checks, drafts, bills of exchange, etc. No, checks, drafts, bills of exchange, these all are not legal tender money. They can be used to settle transactions, but these are not legal tender money, and someone is not in the compulsion to accept that. They are bank money, they are credit instruments, but they are not legal tender money. All right. Option D says the metallic money in circulation in a country. This option is also wrong because legal tender money is not only limited to metallic money. It includes rupees currency notes also, coins. It includes currency notes and coins. Legal tender money includes currency notes and coins that are basically issued by RBI. So saying that the metallic money in circulation in a country is a legal tender money, it would be wrong. So our correct answer is option B. Thank you so much. If you liked this way of teaching PYQs or telling the PYQs, you can also join me in this series by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.